go ahead, man.
You can start all over.
That's fine.
Say your name and spell it for me first.
I'm Mary Beth Lockridge, MaryBethLockridge, and I am the Family and Community Engagement Coordinator for Leeds City Schools, also known as the PR person.
Yep. All right. And we kind of already got confirmed that lightning hit. Like,
yeah.
When did that happen? What? And I see all the.
So about 4:45, there was a pretty big storm that rolled through the area. Lightning struck the building. There were no children in the building at the time, but we did have one employee. Our interventionist was in the building preparing for a literacy camp that was supposed to start on Monday. And she immediately called 911 and left, and so we're thankful that she was able to get out and that she called 911. And the Chief Irwin, our police chief, told me that there were actually police officers that were like outside and saw it when it happened. So the response was immediate, and not only just from Leeds. We have crews from Moody Fire Department, Irondale Fire, Pell City Fire, and that's always the story when something happens in one of these communities, is the neighboring police and fire always step in to help. So that was amazing. We were just talking about the community response. I've been sitting just about 100 yards from here in my car, and in the course of an hour there has been city councilors, our school board members, teachers, different people just coming by to make sure that everything's okay. And you know, it just shows you the support in the area. Our superintendent and several other school employees are up the hill kind of assessing what's going on. We do know that it is contained to the attic area, roof area. So the big question now is, what does this mean for inside the building? We all just got out for summer break, but this is our primary school where our pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade classes are. So I'm sure that those teachers are all kind of wondering, what does this mean for getting my room ready? What does this mean as far as smoke damage and whatnot? And I just talked to our superintendent before I walked over here, and it's going to be a while before we really know anything as far as internal. We're thankful no one was here, or that the one person that was here got out, and that it wasn't when kids were here. The only thing we know right now is that this is going to impact our literacy and our math camps that were supposed to start here on Monday. Those camps were for 2 weeks, and it was for a smaller group of kids, I believe around 150 students. And so what we're going to plan to do right now is those students will have to be relocated to Leeds Elementary School. We're going to be sending those parents out lots of information, and just kind of taking it one step at a time as far as what does this mean going forward.
Good. Yeah. Thank you. What? You don't have to tell them who you said who they were, but what did the employee say that was in it? What did
I haven't personally talked to her. I don't know. I mean, you hope no one would be in the building at a time like this, but I know her, and I know she probably went into like a ER doctor or nurse mode. She knew exactly what to do, and thankful she did. And you know, like we said, it could have been so much worse. So thankful that it wasn't, and we'll just kind of see what happens from here. As far as this building, we have 10 kindergarten classes, 10 first grade, 9 pre-K, and right now we're not even sure really where exactly this happened in the building. You can see, but you can't know until you're actually in there whose rooms were impacted or whatnot. So we'll just have to kind of see from here.
Awesome.
Thank you.